Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Here she blows. Red Baron. Time to get this popping. I'm going to plug the fuel tank. Set time 25 minutes, cure time 1 hour. It's supposed to be good for fuel tanks and stuff like that. Alright, there's the instructions. Man, it is pretty simple. It says you should use a detergent or degreaser to clean the area. Then rough the surface with a file or coarse sandpaper or something. But there's really not a whole lot they recommend you do. Just putty the stuff up and get it on there. So that's the hole in my patch. I'm gonna clean that up, rough it up, patch it. We should be good to go. So I cut about a 1/4 inch or so, maybe a 1/2 inch off of the putty stick, resealed it, throw it back in the tube. There's a lot of putty there. I ain't planning on putty in the whole tank, just the hole. I cleaned the hole up with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. The tank was not really smooth, so I pressed it in the middle as best I could, and I patted it around. You know, the hole was only like a 1/4 inch, so I got that little bubble there packed on. They said it'll cure in 15 minutes, or set 15 minutes, cure in an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work on the exhaust and work on the tranny fluid, but I'm gonna leave the car up like this to give this stuff time to set, hopefully in the hole, without fuel being on it, because the fuel should have run down a little bit off of the hole. Past the fuel tank, let's make sure that's not leaking. I did not see no leak out of there. After patching the fuel tank with water weld, I went to the gas station, put about a 1/2 tank of gas in the vehicle. Now I did have to patch 2 holes. It's been about a month. Neither one of those holes have any signs of any leakage. If I do experience any leakage of those holes I patched, I will put the notations in the comments. So again, I patched the holes about a month before this video was posted, and if I have any issues with it, I'll put notes in the comments. So far, it's holding up well. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.